In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a line in WPS Office. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Insert tab up top, and from here, you want to go to Shapes, click on it, and click on Lines over here, the first line you can see. Now, you have to basically just click with your left mouse click and then drag out without releasing it, and as you can see, you'll get a line. Now, if you want it to be perfectly straight, you could hold down your Shift key on your keyboard, and it's going to go perfectly straight, but of course, you could do it angled like this as well, and always, it's going to be a straight line, it's just going to be at a different angle. So I'm going to put it like this, for example, and then I'm going to release my mouse button, and there we go. I now have myself a line. Of course, whenever you've already drawn it, you could go ahead and use these circles at edges, and you could go and adjust it like the size, the length. You could go ahead and of course do it at a different angle, stuff like this. It's completely up to you. And you also have the options to actually change its thickness up here. You have the option to actually change the line's color, the outline. You could add some effects on there, and there's a bunch of other settings you could also use to actually, of course, customize your line. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.